friends, today we will be discussing all about solar chargers. When power is generated inside the solar panel, it needs to be stored inside the rechargeable battery, and this should be done in a proper way so that the life of the battery should be maximum. The two type of charge controllers most commonly used in solar power systems. First one is pulse width modulation, that is PWM, and the second one is MPPT, that is maximum power point tracking.
This is where the solar charge controller is put in between the solar panel and the battery bank to regulate the charging of the batteries through solar. For example, if your solar panel is making 15 volts and the battery is 12 volt, then it will make sure that only 12 volt reaches the battery. MPPT contains lots of benefits like over voltage and current production, overload production, reverse power flow production. There is also a chance to be generate a heavy volt inside the panel and a heavy amount of current can be flowed from the panel to batteries. MPPT can block this voltage and current. Likewise, during night times, there is also a chance of flowing power in the opposite direction, that is from battery to solar panel. This problem can be eliminated by MPPT. PWM charge controllers have been working based on old technology. To understand what is PWM technology, let's think for a minute. If we have taken 100-watt solar panel and 12-volt batteries, during peak time panel may produce 15 volt, but 3 volt will be wasted and only 12 volts will be deposited on the battery if we use PWM as our charge controller. PPT works on modern technology meant to extract maximum from the solar panel. They operate according to the panel voltage and converts extra voltage of the panel into current, which increases the output from the solar system. Again, we'll discuss that previous mathematical calculation. If we have taken a solar panel of 100 watts and which produces 15 volt and batteries are 12 volt, then the amount of current will be 8 amperes to get more and more as an output, and this way extra voltage can be transferred to excess current for 100% efficiency.
For more queries and suggestions, please kindly write to us at applestechno@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.